Is your Android phone a bit quieter than you would like? You listening to music or in a phone call or maybe even during this YouTube video? It's not quite as loud as it used to be. If that's the case, there could be a setting that is turned on that's limiting the overall maximum output of the speakers on your Android phone. Let's check that setting and turn it off so that you'll be able to hear as loud as possible on your Android phone. To be able to do that, take your finger and swipe up and tap on the Settings app. From here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now, of course, if your phone is set to vibrate or mute, you won't be able to hear anything. So this is simple, but just tap on Sound here to be able to hear everything. Next, we're going to scroll down and tap on Volume midway down. You can see I have the volume turned up on everything. So this is, of course, the first thing is just to make sure the slider for the volume on either ringtone, media, notifications, or system is all the way up so that you'll be able to hear it. However, there could still be a volume limit set. To do that or check it, tap on the three dots at the top right and tap on Media Volume Limit. You can see here media volume limit is turned on and the volume limit is 85 decibels. You can choose to either bump this all the way up to 100 decibels, or if you don't necessarily want this, just toggle this off. And now the maximum volume output on your Android phone through the speakers when you're listening to music, watching videos, on phone calls, all of that stuff, and it won't be intentionally limited and quieting down the speakers on your phone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.